Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? In recent years, the political atmosphere of the country has become increasingly polarized, raising concerns about the very foundation of secularism on which the constitution rests. Full stop. Citizens, instead of defending the ideals of unity often find themselves trapped in debates that threaten the basic structure of our democracy. Full stop. The judiciary has time and again emphasized that morality must guide governance and any action on the part of the authorities inconsistent with constitutional principles will not be sustained. Full stop. The courts have considered requests for exemption and concession in cases pertaining to social, economic and religious issues. Full stop. Rights have been proclaimed to ensure justice and every appearance before the bench brings with it the responsibility to find out whether justice has truly been served. Full stop. The role of the superintendent of institutions, especially correctional homes, is critical in safeguarding the interest of beneficiaries of welfare schemes. Full stop. A holistic approach is expected from authorities, especially in the age of cyber technology where new forms of crime emerge every day. Full stop. In one matter, the accused was acquitted as the evidence did not substantiate the charge. Full stop. Yet, as the same case showed, society must be apprised of the limits of freedom. Full stop. Directions were issued for the purpose of ensuring that no person misuses liberty while applying for anticipatory bail. Full stop. At the same time, regular proceedings in the police station and routine enforcement in areas like civil lines highlight the importance of effective law and order. Full stop. During the course of hearings, it often comes to light what actually transpired between parties. Full stop. Financial irregularities involving crores of rupees, dubious withdrawals and transactions in some other accounts reveal the complexity of fraud. Full stop. If proper checks had not been enforced, losses would have multiplied. Full stop. The judiciary observed that transparency, as has been demonstrated in certain states, should serve as a model. Full stop. Ultimately, the rule of law demands that justice is neither delayed nor denied. Full stop. The balance between individual rights and collective responsibilities must be maintained. Full stop. Courts reiterate that liberty cannot be absolute, for it coexists with discipline and accountability. Full stop. The principles of equality, fairness and impartiality must therefore be upheld not in theory alone but also in daily practice. Full stop. A vigilant citizenry coupled with a responsive government ensures that the spirit of the constitution continues to thrive for generations to come. Full stop. Ultimately, the rule of law demands that justice is neither delayed nor denied. full stop. The balance between individual rights and collective responsibilities must be maintained, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर दिस प्लेलिस्ट। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।